Come on in.
This is Mark's home studio, which he built himself. Today he's going to take us through some of the equipment that he uses on a daily basis to get the job done.
So this is my primary microphone. It's the Sennheiser 416 shotgun microphone. The reason I use this microphone is because it's industry standard in video games. It's very directional. It's a super microphone for working in an environment where there might be lots of noise. Now, obviously, this studio is soundproof, so we don't have a lot of room noise, but this microphone works excellent. So this is my audio interface. This is the Apollo Solo. There's lots of different interfaces out there. You can use the Focusrite. There's just loads of them. Though I use this one is because it's got a huge amount of plugins, which allows me to have lots of different processing if I need to do different types of audio. Essential piece of kit. It's the heart of the whole voiceover industry, your interface. Okay, so these are the headphones. These are my Beyerdynamic DT770 80 ohms. They're closed back headphones, which are essential if you're in a recording environment. Some people will record with the headphones on. Some people don't like using headphones at all. But if you're editing, you have to use your headphones to get the proper sound.
So what got you into voice acting?
I've been working in radio for 30 years, and part of being a radio DJ was you'd be asked to do commercials for advertisers on the local station. So I've done voiceover over the last 30 years, but in the last 3 years, I've got more immersed into voice acting through a genre of video games and animation. I've also done some movie trailers, and it's just kind of grown and escalated like that. And I found that actually something that I really enjoy doing, and I'm not too bad at it.
Do you do anything to prepare for a voice acting session?
Well, a voice acting session, depending on the length of the duration, can be quite taxing on your voice. So essential to do a warm-up. I just do a very wide impersonation and that type of stuff to get your vocal cords in set for a session.
So what normally happens when delivering lines?
Well, delivering lines is voice acting. And acting, by definition, is that you have to assume the character. So to assume a character in a video game or in a commercial, you have to be quite animated. So in this studio here, as you can see, I've got my microphone, which is movable. I've got my script stand, normally standing up, delivering lines. You're acting out the characters and you're recording at the same time. So you do get very animated.
Once everything is recorded, what happens after the fact?
Once I've recorded all the audio into Adobe Audition, I just clean up the audio. They don't want too much processing because most of the processing is done in post-production at their end, and they want clean, raw audio so that they can do any processing that they need to do. Obviously, if there's mouth clicks, we normally just take them out. But raw audio is what most post-production houses want.